He's up there. He's already going out.
Yeah, Noah just went out. He loved it.
Yay, it's going to be so much fun. Carlton, your daddy and your Uncle Russ, we're going to go out on the boat together.
You want to come?
Carlton, you've been talking.
Thoughts. Come on, Carlton. Hey, Carlton, look at Mr. Jonathan back there. This is Noah taking Carlton on his first sail. He demanded it.
Okay.
I'm coming.
You want us to come? I thought you guys were going to go by yourselves.
You're not going by yourselves?
Okay.
Are you ready?
You guys ready?
Hey, Carlton, you ready to go? Noah, you ready to go?
Yeah, give me a big wave, Carlton.
Wave, Carlton. Woo. Carlton's first sail with Captain Noah. This is going to be interesting. Where are the animals, Noah?
Hey, I'll be careful. Look at me. Yeah, you guys are looking good. See a parachute?
Like this.
Yeah, I see. You guys are holding the sheet. You got the main sheet.
Oh, Jonathan, what's he doing? He's sticking his leg in exercise. Carlton's very good for sound effects.
You got Carlton? Yep. And I see he's got you, Todd. Yeah. Noah's got you.
Yeah, we're all going over together.
You want to try it?
Here.
Yeah, good job.
You're a sailor. Wow. Wow. Okay, now we're going to let it. He doesn't want to work anymore.
Carlton,
What?
you're doing a great job.
You're a big boy.
You're a big boy, that's right.
You got our big boy. You can be on Captain Noah's. This boat really stands out, Don.
You mean with the sails?
Oh, yeah.
That's because your brother didn't want you to get lost at sea. Good one. Good sail trim, Carlton. Good sail trim. Good job.
Just wanted to record this special occasion. It's the 5th of May, Cinco de Mayo. Beautiful day in Fort Lauderdale. Another rough day down here.
That's Cinco de Mayo 2012. 2012. Fort Lauderdale Beach. Noah and Carlton and Todd and Jonathan with the brand new Hobie sails.
Life is good.
Life is we go, on the back of the next wave. Whee!